number one group. Ndị nke mbụ bụ gịnị? Number one group, okay? Ndị nke mbụ. All right.
Ndewo Chikwudi.
Ndewo. Kedu ka mere?
Adị mma, kedụkwanụ?
Adị mma. Kedu ihe na-eme taa?
Biko kwuo ya ọzọ.
Kedu ihe na-eme taa?
Chukwudi, you need to speak up, and I need you to slow down and say it clearly so that she will understand. So you get kuya, but you need to speak up. Kusie ike means speak up.
Kedu ihe ị na-eme taa?
Chinenyosi, kedu ihe ị na-eme taa? You know what it's in here? Something. Ta, today.
Anọ na Igbo class. Kedu ka ị riri n'ụtụtụ taa?
Kedu ka ị riri? No. If you want to say, what did you eat this morning? Kedu ihe ị riri n'ụtụtụ taa? Kedu ihe ị riri n'ụtụtụ taa? Another way to say it. Gịnị ka ị riri n'ụtụtụ taa? So these are two ways. Kedu ihe ị riri n'ụtụtụ taa? Ma ọ bụ gịnị ka ị riri n'ụtụtụ taa? Chinenye, correct yourself.
Okay. Kedu ihe ị riri n'ụtụtụ taa?
Eri m egg na akwa.
Ị riri gịnị?
Egg na akwa.
Ị riri egg na akwa? Chukwudi, did I hear you correctly? Ị riri egg na akwa. Okay, Chukwudi, you know egg is akwa, right?
Wait.
Egg means akwa. We are not putting English. It's like you're repeating yourself. You don't have to say it in English.
Sorry, I forgot. I went to say bread.
Gịnị bụ bread?
Achịcha.
Ngwa kụzie ya ọfụma. Say it well.
Eri m akwa na achịcha.
So Chukwudi, ask her what she ate too. You can turn around and ask her too. So Joya, ask her what she ate.
Kedu nri taa?
Kedu ife iriri n'ụtụtụ taa? Not ife iriri. Kedu ife iriri, because you're asking about breakfast, right? Kedu ife iriri n'ụtụtụ taa? You can also say, gịnị ka iriri n'ụtụtụ taa? It says so. There are ways to put it. Nri gịnị ka iriri n'ụtụtụ? You can start by saying, what kind of food? Or, what did you eat in the morning? Kedu nri gịnị ka iriri? You can say nri. Nri means what kind of food. You can also say, gịnị ka iriri n'ụtụtụ taa? You can also say, kedu kwanu ife? Now, everybody pay attention. If I ask Ogechi, gịnị ka iriri n'ụtụtụ taa? Ọ bụrụ na m jụọ Ogechi, gịnị ka iriri n'ụtụtụ taa? Then Ogechi is not going to turn around and ask me the same pattern, the same way I asked Ogechi, gịnị ka iriri n'ụtụtụ taa? If Ogechi is going to ask me the same question back, her own will be different. She will tweak it in a different way. She will say, gịnị kwanu, or she can say, kedu kwanu ife iriri n'ụtụtụ? And or she can say, gịnwa kwanu, gịnị ka iriri n'ụtụtụ taa? Now, let me open, because I need you to know how to tweak all these things. You can't just go ahead and say the sentence the person said. You need to say your own differently. Okay. All right, so, okay, I need to share page. I'm sorry, thought I was sharing it. Okay, I need to share a page with you to see what I'm trying to say here. All right, so, where is the page I'm sharing? Okay. Can you see the page I'm sharing, everybody? Wait, 1 second. I don't know why it's not the one. Okay, so let me get this one up. I'm sharing a page, but it's not showing. Why? Okay. Why is my page not showing? What's going on? Share page. It's already here, but it's not coming up. Oh boy, let me stop sharing. Okay, so let me share page. I don't know why it's not coming up. What's going on with my WordPad? Okay, I think it's up now. All right, everybody, let me share. Okay, so if you ask somebody, Guinea, if you ask Guinea ka, iriri, na, ụtụtụ, taa. Another way to put it is kedu, ihe, some people say ife, ihe maọbụ ife, iriri, na ụtụtụ, meaning in the morning for breakfast, ụtụtụ taa. Okay, they are both questions and they mean the same thing. Now, the first person asking this question, okay, onye izizi, maọbụ onye mbụ, onye izizi means the first person. Onye mbụ means also the first person. Now, let's say this. Onye izizi. Maọbụ onye mbụ, they mean the same thing. Means the first person question, okay? This is what it is. It means onye mbụ. Onye izizi maọbụ onye mbụ means first person. Okay? Question. So, this is first person's question. And that person, I'm trying to make it very, very clear for you all. Okay, this is first person's question. So, onye mbụ ga-asị, gịnị ka i riri? Why my question is doing this. Okay, gịnị ka i riri n'ụtụtụ taa? Maọbụ kedu ife i riri n'ụtụtụ taa? Now, the second person, okay, so we're going to have the second person saying, and this is onye nke abụọ, onye nke abụọ, okay? Onye bụ maọbụ onye izizi means first person. Onye abụọ, onye nke abụọ. When it comes to second person, you have to say nke. Onye nke abụọ. It's just you have to know your numbers, okay? Second person. All right? And then this is what you're going to say. If you're asking, if you want to ask the same question, okay? Asking the same question. See how I put it? Asking the same question back. So your own will change a little bit. It's not going to be the same way. Okay, so you're going to say, gịnịkwanụ ka gị nwa riri? Or gịnị ka gị nwa rikwere nụnụ? So there are several ways when you're asking the same question. Either you say, gị nwa kwanu. So it's like you put it together. You can break it, but I want you to see it's in syllables. Gị nwa kwanu. Ginwakwanu. You can stop it here. When somebody say Ginwakwanu, it means and you too. That's what it is. Ginwakwanu means and you too. What it means, just because the person did not finish it, it's like when you say and you too. You see, it's like when you say good morning to me, I say, and you too, the same to you. So it means the same to you. And you too, what did you eat? You see that? And you too. It's like telling you, what did you eat? Just because the person didn't say that. Or the person can say, Kedo gini kwano? You can say, gini kwano? Ka genwa ka gini kwano? Ka iriri. Gini kwano? Ka iriri. Okay, iriri. Ah, come on. Iriri na ụtụtụ. Okay, you don't even have to say ụtụtụ taa because it is the same question. Gịnị kwanụ ka iriri n'ụtụtụ? You can also say gịnwa kwanụ iriri gịnị? You see that? You can say gịnwa kwanụ. Iriri gịnị? You say that. You can say it this way. You don't have to repeat it, but your own will be different. And you too means so. It's a gịnwa. I put this dash just in syllables. You can break it. But here I put it together. Gịnị kwanụ ka iriri n'ụtụtụ? Gịnwa kwanụ iriri gịnị? And you too, what did you eat? You see that? So several ways to put the question. Like when I say favor, favor, kedu ka ị mere taa? Favor gasa dị m mma. Gịnwa kwanụ? You see that she can say gịnwa without asking me the same question. She can also say, ị mekwaranụ ole? Okay, kedu ka ị mekwaranụ? When you say kedu ka ị mere, when I am the first person to ask this question, two people waiting in the waiting room. So, okay. Okay, so now, another example. I'm going to give you another example. When I ask, kedu ka ị mere? Okay? And then, this is the first person here. First person saying, meaning onye mbụ, right? You know that first person means onye mbụ, maọbụ onye izizi. I'm not going to put two of them. You know, that's what it is. Okay, kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka ị mere? Now, the second person, all right? I'm just doing it in a BC way for you to understand it well. The second person. Okay, onye nke abụọ. Nke abụọ. Okay, we say. When I say kedu ka ị mere? Now, the second person is say, kedu kwanu ka gị nwa mere? Kedu kwanu ka gị nwa? You can put gị nwa mere. You can say kedu kwanu ka gị mere. Some people say that, but to show that you know what you're saying. Kedu kwanu ka gị nwa mere? And how about you? So you see, and how about you? So you cannot just say somebody say kedu ka ị mere. You say adịmma kedu ka ị mekwara. You say you can also say kedu kwanu ka gị nwa mere. Kedu ka ị mekwaranụ. You can say that. You can also say kedu ka ị mekwaranụ. Now you can say that kedu ka ị mekwa. But ị mekwaranụ. Pay attention to. Now, you see this because this is double words, okay? Pay attention to your vowels, all right? When you say kedu kwanu ka ime kwerenu, see that? It has to go with a vowel. It has to go with a vowel. Kedu kwanu ka ime kwerenu. So this is another way to put it. That is kedu kwanu ka gị nwa mere. So all these ones with A and E, there are two different words together. All right, so now I just wanted to put this in together for you to see. Now, the first group, you did a little bit good, okay? The second group, ndị nke abụọ. If you know, I put you in the second group, go ahead.
Ehihie ọma Chibụsọma.
Ihe ọma Favor. Kedu kwa ị mere?
Adị m mma, gị kwanụ?
Ana m ọfụma.
Ele iri n'ụtụtụ.
Biko kwuo ya ọzọ.
Ele iri n'ụtụtụ.
Ole nri iriri n'ụtụtụ. Ole, which is another way. That's a good question. Ole nri iriri na ụtụtụ. You all need to open your mouth so that the other person will understand. Ole nri iriri, meaning you understood what she said, right? What food did you eat? What food? That was her question. No, you can't just. Ole nri riri. Say what food? You can't just say. Did you say eriri munrita? Or is that what you said that you ate today?
Mba, erighị m nri.
Okay, good. That's a good answer. Favor, you heard what she said. She said erigi m nri taa.
Maka gịnị?
Okay, you can say kedokwanu maka. Maka, you can also say maka gene, right? You can say maka gene, or you can also say gini mere. Gini mere. So these are two ways. Maka gene, or you can say gini mere. Okay? What happened? That was her question. Chibunsama.
Agụ edighi m.
Agụ agụghị m.
Agụ agụghị
m. Good. You said it right.
Nsogbu adịghị. Gịnị ka ị ga-eme ịgbasa klas?
Aga m asa ahụ. Gị kwanụ, Kevin, ị ga-eme imechego klas gị?
Aga m esi nri.
Chibusoma, Joy, what kind of food is she going to cook? So because whatever the person says, it will prompt you to ask the next question. Don't forget that. So Chibusoma, also aga m esi nri.
Kedu ihe ị ga-esi?
Aga m esi
Ị ga-esi gịnị?
Aga m esi nri ajiju.
Nri gịnị?
Beans in Igbo.
Okay, aga m esi nri agwa. Agwa means beans. Agwa means beans. Everybody know that, please. Aga m esi nri agwa. Agwa means beans. And also, 1 second. Agwa means beans and also character. But everything depends on how you put it. Agwa also means character, someone's character. Okay? But everything depends on how you put it. Like beans. Ana me esi agwa. For example, okay, when you say, and let's make an example here. Example, ema ato. We're not gonna say it in Igbo. Ema ato. You know ema ato means example, right? So ema ato, you say, I will. Okay. Agam esi agwa na ehihie. Ehihie. Okay? Agam esi agwa na ehihie. But this one, ema ato nke a, ema ato is Chimbusama nwere ezigbo agba. You see that? Chimbusama, let's say Sama nwere ezigbo agwa. What did I say there, Favor? Gịnị ka m kwuru? Chimbusama has a good character. She has a good character. You see that? When I say Chimbusama enweghị ezigbo agwa, it means she doesn't have a good character. She doesn't have any good character. Say that. Chimbusama nwere ezigbo agwa. So see that. So this is how you know what did you really say? But if you say agwa, if you say agwa gị mara mma, when you say ị nwere ezigbo agwa, when you say ị nwere ezigbo agwa, ị nwere ezigbo agwa, you have good character. She has a good character.
If for
Email again.
Ifuru aham.
What are you trying to say, Chimsama?
You misspelled my name.
No, I shortened it because I didn't want to put it. I know that. I just say Somma.
I know that's not how you spell Somma.
How do you say your Somma? Let me see.
Sonma.
That's wrong in Igbo. If you're spelling your name in Igbo, I know your parents spell it better. So. Mma, now separate it. It should have a dot underneath. So, mma is double M-A. It's not N-N. It's not neka. Neka starts with N-N. Ne? Your own is mma. Mma is M-M-A. So the correct spelling of your name in Igbo, don't worry about the way they're spelling it, but in Igbo, it's supposed to be. If you're shortening it, it's Sama. But if you're writing it in full, Chim, is it Chim or Chibusama or Chimbusama? Which one? Chimbus. If it's Chi, Bo, So, Ma, this is it. If it's Chim, Bo, So, Ma, this is the correct spelling of your name in Igbo word. So, some people say Chibusama, some people say Chimbusama. So, which one is your name? Is Chimbusama here? Is the Chim or is it the first one or the second?
The second.
Okay, so but the way you write your own, you do write it NN, right?
NM.
You write Chimboso.
No,
that is wrong.
No. NM as a monkey, yes.
Chimbo, that's wrong. Chimboso. Mma should have double M, not one M. But because it's in between the word Chimboso, Mma. So I don't know why they decided to put M, but continue to write it the way you've been writing it. But in Igbo word, it's supposed to be double M. But that's okay. Write your name the way you're writing it, okay? And that's how we're going to be writing your name too, okay? Because just like when it comes to Brittany, you see some people writing one R, some people double R, some people A, so the same way, like my name, Quinette, you see some people writing it differently. So it depends on what you want to write. Some people write Quincy, you see different spelling. So anyway you write your spelling, that's the way your name is, okay, guys? We're not here to correct Chimbosama's name, but what we are trying to point out is when it comes to Igbo, the way you spell Igbo alphabet, this is how it's supposed to be written. But that's not how she writes her name. So her name is correct the way she writes it. All right. Okay, Chimbusama, you and Favor, yeah, you tried a little bit. Give you guys hands. Okay. Now, Imela, kedu ndị nke atọ? We have to get everybody before we close today.
Ndewo, Jason.
Otusama Kamsi.
Kedu ka anyị mere tata?
Hello, TD.
Now, Jason, ọ jụrụ gị kedu ka ị mere?
Oh, I didn't like kidding my game.
Yeah.
Adimma.
No, you see, Kamsi, what you supposed to answer? I forgot to put that. Okay, now Jason said Adimma kedu maka gị. You guys say adekwa m mma. Don't say adekwa.
Okay.
Do not answer the sentence Jason
Adikwa
answered.
mma.
Your own should be adekwa m mma. Everybody take note. Go on.
Yeah, tututa.
Jason, gịnị ka ikwu kwusie ike?
Tata.
Jason, we still cannot understand. What were you trying to say?
I said tata.
Okay, there you go. Iriri nri tata.
I did them pancakes.
Okay.
Gini kwa?
Tata.
Gịnị mekwara Jason?
Gini mere?
You see, Kamsi, did you see how I said? Gịnị mekwara no?
Okay.
Kamsi, I need you to say that.
Yeah.
Gịnị mekwara no?
Gini mekwara.
Achọrọ m iche Igbo class mecha.
Okay. She said, achọrọ m iche Igbo class mesịa. Good job, Jason. Keep going, guys. We're enjoying it.
Kedu ka ine na gị mere?
Itokwo ya azọ.
Kedu ka ine na gị mere?
Kamsi, you know what he said?
No.
Gịnị wụ nne? Gịnị wụ nna? Ọ sị kedu ka nne na nna gị mere? Just because he didn't say kedu ka mama gị na papa gị mere. You guys should know that nne means mama, nna also means papa. So you need to know both of them. And not when the person didn't say mama or papa, you get lost. So ọ sị kedu ka nne na nna gị mere? Kamsi, ghọtala ya ugbu a?
Mama na papa dị mma.
Ị gara trick or treat ụnyaahụ?
I like that, Jason. Awesome. Okay. Ask Jason something before I let another group take over. Jason, gị nwakwa na ị gara?
Mba.
Gịnị mere na ị gaghị?
Achọrọ m ịga.
Okay, mụnwa anaghị m agakwa. Kamsi, kedu onye ga-esi nri ehihie tata? Kedu onye ga-esi nri ehihie n'ụlọ unu tata? Kamsi, are you gone? Kedu ebe ị nọ?
Nobody.
Did you understand what I said?
Yes.
Gịnị ka m kwuru?
Who's going to cook food today?
He's going to cook lunch, right? Then go ahead. Onye ga-esi nri ehihie tata? Jason, onye ga-esi nri ehihie n'ụlọ unu tata?
Amam.
So, onwego onye ga-eri nri ma ọ bụrụ na onwego onye shiri nri kwa ya? Na Jason, onye ga-esikwa nri ị ga-eri?
Nkechi.
Nkechi ga-esi. Nkechi laferela o. Okay, you guys did well. That's good. Okay, ndị nke anọ. Kedu ndị nke anọ? The group 4. Are they not here?
Sorry.
Nkechi, gị na onye kwesịrị ime?
It's timer.
Don't waste us time. Why you guys? Did you see how other group did their own? Why do we have to wait for 2 of you?
Sorry.
She keeps saying sorry. Gịnị bụ sorry n'Igbo?
Ndo.
Okay. Unu egbula anyị oge, biko. Unu egbula anyị oge means don't waste us time.
Kedu alaso.
Adịmma, kedu kwa maka gị?
Adịmma. Kedu ka abalị gị dị?
Kedu ka gịnị mere?
Abalị.
Huh?
Abalị.
What? Say it in English.
Abalị.
Kaima, can you say it in English?
Night.
Okay,
Abalị.
Kusie ike, me say it. Speak up so that she can hear you. You said it right, but I want you to speak up. Say it loud.
Kedu ka abalị gị dị?
Kedu ka abalị gị siri gaa? Siri gaa means how we went, yeah.
Ọ gara ọfụma. Kedu kwa maka gị?
Ọ gara ọfụma. Kedu sweetie ka ị riri?
Kedu gịnị?
Sweet.
Kaima, what were you trying to say?
What candy did you eat yesterday?
Kedu ihe ụtọ i riri? Ihe ụtọ, ihe na-atọ ụtọ, candy. Ihe nracha. It's called ihe nracha. Kedu ihe nracha ị tara? Candy. It's ihe nracha i riri maọbụ ị tara. Okay? Ihe nracha means candy, okay? Kedu ihe nracha?
Kedu ihe nracha?
You have to close your mouth, Kaima. Nracha.
Nracha.
There you go.
Ụnyaahụ.
Eriri m cookies na Snickers.
Okay. Keep going. Your time is still not up. Hadassah, can't you ask her something?
Gịnị ka ị ga-eri taa?
Ọ dịghị ihe.
Maka gịnị?
Amaghị.
It's just going easy way out, right? Okay, well, okay, two of you try again. Okay, the next group. Ndị nke ọzọ, ndị nke ise. I see Emeka didn't assign anything. Emeka and the Ralo. After the fifth paper, the fifth group.
Ehihie ọma Nkechi.
Ehihie ọma Ogechi. Kedu ka ị mere?
Adị m mma, gị nwakwanụ.
Adịkwa mma.
Gịnị ị mere tupu ị bịara Igbo class?
Ogechi, kwugharịa ya ọzọ.
Gịnị ka ị mere tupu ị bịara Igbo class?
Tupu ị bịa, not tupu ị bịara. Tupu ị bịa Igbo class.
Gịnị ka ị mere tupu ị bịa Igbo class?
Good.
Apere m ekpere. Gịnị kwanụ?
No. Ogechi, chere ka o kwụsịa. Gịnị kwanụ is not a question. You need to complete your sentence.
Gịnị kwanụ ị mere?
You're missing a preposition. Gịnị kwanụ ka ị mere? So don't omit something. Yeah.
Gịnị kwanụ ka ị mere?
Gịnịkwanụ ka ị mere ọ gịnịkwanụ ka ọ gị nwakwanụ so but it's okay the way you put it so Ogechi ngwaza ya
Enyere m aka ndị enweghị ụlọ.
enyere m ndị agara m you went right you already did right agara m nyere ndị na-enweghị ụlọ aka Ogechi you need to say that because I want you to say it right next time agara m nyere ndị na-enweghị ụlọ aka meaning homeless people.
Okay. Agara m nyere ndị enweghị ụlọ aka.
No, agara m nyere ndị na-enweghị ụlọ aka.
Agara m nyere ndị na-enweghị ụlọ aka.
Good.
Kedu ihe ị ga-eme taa?
Aga m ifo ezinụlọ m.
Okay. Aga m aga fụ you will go, right?
Yeah.
Now, everybody don't forget when you're putting something in the future. No, okay, you should be able to do it because you did a lot of homework and you did very well. Put it right. I'm not going to correct you. I need you to put it right. I will go to see my family. Now, I need you to say it well.
Aga m aga fụ ezinụlọ m.
Good. I love that.
Gịnị ka gịnị ka ị mere?
Gịnị ka ị ga-eme, not gịnị ka ị mere.
Gịnị ka ị ga-eme?
Aga m ehicha ụlọ m.
Aga m ehicha ụlọ m. Good. Now, that's good. You guys did very well. That is good. Now, next time we are going to have conversation. No more all this kedu ka ị mere nke emeka. We need to upgrade it. We need to bump it up. So everybody get ready. The conversation you're going to have. No more these baby steps. No more. You guys are doing well, but we should pass this stage now. No more gịnịkwanụ ka ị mere gị nwakwanụ kedu ka ị mere ụtụtụ taa. No more, guys. Okay? No more baby steps. Now, Karalo and Emeka.
Ụtụtụ ọma, Ralu.
Ụtụtụ ọma, Emeka.
Gịnị ka ị mere?
Ọ dị mma.
Gịnị ka ị jụrụ Emeka? Emeka jụọ ya ọzọ. Kwuo ya ọzọ.
Kedu ka ị mere?
Ọ dị mma. Kedu maka gị?
Adị mma.
Adịkwa m mma.
Oh, sorry, adịkwa mma.
Kedu ihe iri nri n'ụtụtụ?
Emeka nụrụ ihe ọ jụrụ gị?
I know
Emeka,
what it means.
what did he ask you?
What did you eat for breakfast?
Then answer.
Wait, how do you say waffles in
Say,
Igbo?
call it a waffle. Yeah, just call it. Say, I ate waffles. That's simple.
Okay. Eriri m waffle na ụtụtụ.
Eriri m cereal n'ụtụtụ.
You see, Ralu, because he didn't ask you, you can say, after he answered, he ate waffle, you can say, Mwa eririm cereal. You see that? So, because he didn't ask, you can't just say eririm cereal. You say, Mwa eririm cereal. If you want to offer to tell the person what you ate. Everybody take note. I'm not just talking to only Ralu, but how to say it in, if somebody say, oh, I ate this, and you want to say that what you ate without that person asking, Mwa eririm cereal. So that's the way to say it. Say it, Ralu, okay?
Mwa eririm cereal.
Keep on, go on, guys. You're not done.
Afọ ole ka dị?
Adị m afọ iri na isii.
Now, ask him the same question. Well, how would you ask the question, Emeka?
Okay. F.
You can say edekwana afọ ole, or you can say
Oh,
genwakwana. They see there are several ways to ask the question, or you can say genwakwana.
Okay. Idikwa afọ ole.
Edekwano afọ ole.
Oh, Idikwanu afọ ole.
Adam Arori Irina say.
Kedu ka ụmụnne gị mere Ral?
Asim.
Kedu ka ụmụnne gị mere?
Adam.
You can't say all the ma. I say kedu ka ụmụnne gị is plural. Your siblings.
Hadema.
Adịmma. Emeka, kedụkwanụ ka ụmụnne nke gị mere? Kedụkwanụ ka ụmụnne nke gị mere? This is how you ask this question. You ask two, like Emeka and Ralona. And then I ask Emeka, kedu ka ụmụnne gị mere? Emeka asị ụmụnne m dị mma. Then for me to ask the next person, I say, Ralo, kedụkwanụ ka ụmụnne nke gị? Your own siblings. Did you understand that? Say, Emeka, I need you to tell me. Kedụkwanụ ka ụmụnne nke gị mere, Emeka?
Kedụkwanụ ụmụnne m dị mma?
You can say, no, you can say, ụmụnne m dịkwa mma. Because you're not going to repeat the same question I asked. You can say, ụmụnne m dị mma. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. Now, listen up. For those of you who I think, Emeka, you were not here, and you and Ralo. Ralo, I haven't seen your homework. I kept quiet because you came late. Emeka, I think I saw your own. So if you haven't done the first homework, do that. Now, go to that reading. Write down all the vocabularies you don't know. You need to know them before coming to class next week. Okay? Before coming to class next week, because we're going to talk about those vocabularies. And then I'm going to assign another reading. If you like, do the reading. If you don't like, you're cheating yourself, to be honest with you. If you want to do well in this class, you need to follow the rule. That's all I can tell you. I'm here to help you. But if you're not helping yourself, I cannot do anything about it. You want to come to Igbo school for 5, 10 years and you don't know how to speak it, it's up to you. I will always be here to help. Only those who are serious, trust me, are the ones doing well in this class. And I see it. You don't want to do well, it's up to you. But I will always be here to help. Because I have another class. All right. Nobody has any questions. So I'll see you. Aga m ahụ unu n'izu ọzọ. Alọkwana etu esi asị see you next time. How do we say that?
Emesiano.
Ọ dị n'o. Ngwa ka ọ dị. Ndewo. All right.